2.3.2 Formulate absolute value number line. It sets your question. What are the steps to convert a compound inequality into an absolute value inequality? Skill. I can formulate absolute value functions. A graph is shown below. Write absolute value inequality to represent this graph. So first we're going to write this as a compound inequality. It's in between, so it's going to be an AND. The compound inequality would be for 1 is less than or equal to x is less than or equal to 5. To change this into an absolute value inequality, we want to find two things. We want to find the midpoint, and we want to find the distance. The midpoint, in this case, is 3. You add the two numbers together, and then you divide by 2. The distance is the distance between the midpoint and one of the endpoints. So we have 5 minus 3. That's 2. We'll put them into this formula. X minus our midpoint is less than or equal to our distance. Instead of distance, you also might see the word tolerance. This was if it's an and then you'd have x minus your midpoint is greater than or equal to your distance if it is an or. So this was an and, so let's plug that in. X minus our midpoint 3 is less than or equal to our distance 2. Try the other questions on your own. Be sure to also answer the essential question.